Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Before we begin today's video, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell button so you will not miss any of our videos. Thank you. 谢谢. Today's topic is about Chinese interjection. Do you know what that is? Have you ever heard Chinese speakers say things like, ah, ai, huh? Well, these are all Chinese interjections. Something equivalent to English words like, hey, ouch, wow. We have listed up 10 most commonly heard Chinese interjection for you to better understand the Chinese language. Number 1, yo. You can use yo to express surprise. For example, 哟，哪阵风把你给吹到这儿来？哟，哪阵风把你给吹到这儿来？ Hey, what wind blew you here? The actual meaning is, hey, how come I meet you here? You can also use yo to mean suddenly noticed or remembered. For example, 哟，忘了带钱包了。哟，忘了带钱包了。Oh, I have forgotten to bring the wallet. Number 2, ah. Ah is a multi-tone word. Different tone will have different meaning. The first tone, ah, express surprise and admiration. For example, 啊，太好吃了！啊，太好吃了！ Wow, it's so delicious. Second tone, 啊 expressing opinion or asking for a follow-up. For example, 啊，你明天为什么不来？啊 why aren't you coming tomorrow? Third tone, 啊 expressing doubts. For example, 啊，他怎么可能动手打人？啊，他怎么可能动手打人？ What? It's impossible he could strike a person. Fourth tone, provide an answer or to suddenly understand something. For example, 啊，原来是你弄破的。啊，原来是你弄破的。Oh, so you are the one who broke it. Number 3, 哎呦，哎呦。This Chinese interjection express painful feelings, similar to ouch or oh in English. 哎呦，我快热死了。哎呦，我快热死了。Oh, this heat is killing me. 哎呦，肚子怎么那么疼？哎呦，肚子怎么那么疼？ Ouch! Why does my stomach hurt so much? Number 4, 哈，哈。This Chinese interjection express pride or surprise. 哈，你衣服穿反了。哈，你衣服穿反了。哈， you're wearing your clothes inside out. 哈哈，我终于成功了。哈哈，我终于 成功了。Haha, I finally made it. Number 5. Hey. Hey. You can use hey to express greetings or reminding. For example, hey, 小心，别跌倒。Hey, 小心，别跌倒。Hey, careful, don't fall. Number 6. Heng. Heng. You use this Chinese interjection to express dissatisfaction or anger. Sometimes you can use this to threaten people. For example, 哼，有什么了不起？哼，有什么了不起？哼 What is the big deal? 哼，你走着瞧。哼，你走着瞧。哼 You just wait and see. Number 7. Is a multi-tone Chinese interjection. Second tone, to express a question. 你怎么不出声？你怎么不出声？Why are you so quiet? Third tone, express disagreement or unexpected. For example, 没那么严重吧？没那么严重吧？ Well, it's not that serious, right? Fourth tone, express consent or agreement. For example, 就照你说的做吧。就照你说的做吧。Well, just do as you say. Number 8. Ow. This Chinese interjection is to express understanding. For example, 我明白了。我明白了。Oh, I see. Number 9. This Chinese interjection is a sign of sadness or regret. For example, 家家有本难念的经。家家有本难念的经。Alas, every family has its own problems. 又没钱了。又没钱了。Oh, we are broke again. Number 10. Pay. Pay is used to express anger and contempt. For example, 呸！别胡说八道。呸！别胡说八道。Knock on wood, don't talk nonsense. 我呸！谁稀罕你的钱？我呸！谁稀罕你的钱？ Pooh, who cares about your money? That's all we have for you today. We'd like to hear from you. Please leave a comment regarding this video. Or if you have any questions, please leave a comment as well. We will see you again next week. Bye. 我们的视频就到此结束。再见。